Welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner, my video podcast where I discuss everything related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And today we're going to be talking about staking and how you can actually earn passive income from staking rewards on your cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned. This video is sponsored by Cobalt Lend, a brand new community-driven lending platform based in Ohio, USA. This is a DeFi project that aims to decentralize the borrowing and lending industry with the use of blockchain technology and smart contract-based automated service. They have a public sale of their native token, which is to be launched on October 31st, and you can find all the details about it on their website. Just navigate to Services, Token Sale. You can also earn some of these tokens for free by joining their community and taking part in the many social media challenges that are currently on offer. The token has already been listed on Bancor Exchange and 5 more exchange listings are due in the coming weeks. For full details, head over to cobaltlend.com. You will find the link in the description of this video. Now let's talk about staking. You've probably heard already of proof of stake mining and staking rewards, which is an easy way of earning passive income from your crypto, but still the majority of people are not very clear about what it does and how it works. So in this video I will give you a simple overview of staking without going into the technical aspect of it too much, but I will focus instead on how you can generate profits from staking. So what is actually proof of stake? Proof of stake is an eco-friendly method of mining that was designed in response to the growing concerns about the excessive energy consumption of the proof of work mining algorithms. Herein lies the key difference between the proof of work and the proof of stake mechanisms. Unlike proof of work, where the economic price of participation is electricity, computer power, and subsequently capital, with the proof of stake, the cost is the stake. In other words, the amount vested in the project or cryptocurrency. Proof of stake makes use of the tokens or coins that are staked in order to determine who gets to add and verify blocks, which is the process of mining. In this case, the miners are called validators and they propose a new block to be added to the chain and validate new transactions through a voting process. In order to be a validator, you have to lock up a certain portion of coins of that cryptocurrency. This is what we call staking. Staking in this sense can be compared in a way to buying stocks or bonds of some form that will then be paying you dividends. Okay, maybe not the best example, but it is a close one, except staking has added benefits. Token holders who stake a certain amount of their cryptocurrency would also have the right to vote and to participate in the governance of the network, and since they stake their tokens without using them for a period of time, they are being rewarded. This is how staking can become rather profitable. The whole process is controlled via decentralized applications, so there is little room for error or risk involved. And staking is evolving with time, and today it has become much easier for us to engage in it. At first, users were required to stake their digital assets via specific software, which in most cases involved downloading and running a full node on your computer, and your stake was usually requiring a lock-in period, during which you couldn't touch your coins. Well, this was the fixed staking. This is how it started, where you are fully and actively involved in the process as you are running a full node and you're supporting the network. But today we have third parties involved that create pools and use a combined staking method to enable anyone who wants to stake and pretty much any amount they want to stake with as little effort as necessary. This is the so-called soft staking, which many wallets and even some exchanges started offering since 2018. It means that you simply deposit your digital assets into your wallet and allocate them to a validator. This could be the exchange or a third party, and you receive your dividends accordingly. This is called delegating. And delegating doesn't stop you from withdrawing your stake at any given moment. Delegating also does not give away your ownership of these tokens or coins at any point, and in most cases, you would be paying a small fee to the validator service, which is understandable given the ease of use that they offer in return. Some of the most popular staking digital assets right now are Tezos, EOS, Tron, Cosmos, Synthexis, Algorand, Band, BNB, and many more, which I will review in detail in my next video, so watch out for that one. Right now, the easiest ways to stake digital assets are exchanges, which offer soft staking, such as Binance or KuCoin, Poloniex and Bitfinex, and a few other ones, or wallets such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, Ledger, Trezor, Coppervault, Exodus and Atomic Wallet, and a few others. The Ledger hardware wallet is one of the most popular ones in the community when it comes to digital asset storage and staking. It provides two options for staking using the Ledger Live application or external wallet applications. But staking is not the only way to earn passive income from your crypto holdings. If you are looking for more ways to grow your crypto capital, here are some options. Lending and borrowing. Well, this is the most recent trend in cryptocurrencies that is gaining momentum with Ethereum-based DeFi projects that this year is absolutely booming. I've been covering DeFi a lot on this channel, so you're probably already familiar with it, and if you are not, just check out some of my previous videos. You can also do trading. Now, this is a more risky option, but it could be quite rewarding when done right. You can check out my review on Token Metrics, which is a hell of a tool when it comes to helping you with what coins to trade and what is the right time to enter or exit a trade. Mining is another way. Well, there's still some altcoins worth mining, albeit it is not my personal preference, because mining involves investment that sees a slow return over a long period of time. And in most cases, you will actually see a bigger return from trading or even just simply buying and holding for the same period of time. So holding. This is the purchasing and holding a cryptocurrency in any crypto wallet while hoping that it will appreciate in price with time. Now, this will not grow your crypto assets, but it will most likely grow your fiat value. So for those who are still hanging on to the conventional currencies, it can be a profitable alternative. Staking, of course, is about growing your crypto holdings, so in my next video I will review the top 10 staking coins, and make sure that you're following this channel. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you can be alerted as soon as I post my next video. Also, leave a comment below and let me know if you are staking and which coins you are staking. And if you found value in this video, share it with a friend who might also benefit from watching it. Thanks for staying until the end. I'm signing off and I'll see you in the next video.